Hello, Knights!
We have your weekly lunch menu.
For Monday, as always, we've got delicious pizza. If pepperoni isn't your favorite, don't worry. We also have cheese, Hawaiian, and meat lovers.
Tuesday calls for chicken tenders. Yum! And for our vegetarians, we got warm and tasty vegetarian tortilla soup.
On Wednesday, we're enjoying cheesy pizza sticks and sunflower seeds for anyone who wants that extra crunch.
Thursday has my personal favorite, pizza crunchers. Crispy, cheesy, amazing.
And finally, Friday, the day we've all been waiting for, hamburgers.
And if you didn't know, Fridays are also a great day to try new toppings or sides, so make it your own. Enjoy your lunches this week, Knights!
Hello, Knights. Here's your weather for the week. Monday starts at 60 degrees. Tuesday warms up a bit to 61. Wednesday hits 63. Thursday, 62.
And Friday, a sunny 67 degrees.
But watch out. There's a chance of rain on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Grab your raincoats and umbrellas. Nights stay dry out there.
Bye, Knights.
Hi, Empresa.
Hi, I'm Melanie.
And I am Olive.
And I'm Macy.
Today we are going to be talking about rocks.
R stands for respect.
O stands for ownership.
C stands for care for learning.
And K stands for kindness.
And S stands for safe decision making. In November, it is Care for Learning Month.
We can show care for learning by coming to school
And keeping our school clean.
And asking for help.
Go Knights!
Hello, Knights. Join us for our Dine Out Night on Thursday, November 20th to support Empresa's Visual and Performing Arts Foundation. When you participate, 30% of food sales will be donated to EPAC. If you're ordering in store, just show the QR code on the flyer. And for online or mobile orders, you can use the code DONATE at checkout. Go Knights!
Hi, Knights. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Piper.
We're taking you on a brand new adventure. A quest through the grades.
Because every classroom holds a discovery.
Each week, we'll take you on a journey through the halls of Empresa to find out what our fellow students are learning, creating, and discovering.
Come on, Knights. Adventures await.
Our quest begins with TK. Our tiniest Knights are wrapping up their community helper unit.
They're also learning all about turkeys and the fall season. Plus, they're writing in their journals using pre-writing strokes and the letters they learn. So impressive for our youngest learners. Next up, kindergarten. These busy learners just finished their pumpkin science day and had an awesome field trip to Bates Nut Farm.
They're now getting ready for their kindergarten holiday show coming up the week of December 1st. We can't wait to see their performances. Onward to second grade, where the creativity is soaring.
They've been working on a fun project, disguising their giant turkey by decorating its feathers to look like something else.
They also wrapped up learning about habitats around the world. Sounds like a wild adventure.
In fourth grade, students are writing their own narrative stories and exploring California's regions and Native American tribes who live there.
They're also learning about division using area models, brains and bravery combined. Our final stop, fifth grade.
These talented students are in full rehearsal mode for their upcoming play, Rockin' Through the Decades.
Their performance for teachers and students on Wednesday, November 19th at 8:30 a.m. We can't wait to rock out with them.
And that concludes our quest for now.
But fear not, adventures will be back soon with another journey through the grades. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep shining bright.